Shahida Rahmani Sahaba, आप कोई motion लाना चाह रही हैं?
I would like to move the motion
जी,
for suspension
order in the house,
of the
तशरीफ
rules
रखें,
of business.
तशरीफ रखें, अफरीदी साहब इस तरह ना करें.
Thank you so much. I would like to move for the rules, motion of the rule suspension of the business resolution condemning honor killing across.
Motion पढ़ें पहले.
I would like to move the motion for suspend the all rules of business.
जी, now I put the motion to the house. The question is that the motion is moved be adopted. All those in favor may say aye. Aye. All those against may say no. I think the ayes have it, and consequently motion is adopted. अब आप resolution पढ़ें.
Thank you, Speaker Sahab. Resolution. Preamble recognizing the Constitution of Pakistan guarantee of the rights to life, liberty and equality for all citizens. Recalling Article 25 of the Constitution, which upholds equality before the law and prohibited discrimination on the basis of sex. Reaffirming Pakistan's international commitment under the Convention of Elimination of All Forms of Discrimination Against Women, CEDAW, and the Sustainable Development Goal, particularly Goal 5 on gender equality. Alarmed by the increasing number of reported cases of so-called honor killings across all provinces, including recent tragic incident in Punjab, Sindh, Balochistan, and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Concerned by the continued use of parallel justice systems such as Jirgas and Panchayat that enable and justify such killings outside the ambit of law. The Women's Parliamentary Caucus hereby resolves as follows. A strong condemnation. The WPC strongly condemns the unlawful act of so-called honor killings occurring in different parts of Pakistan, which constitute grave violation of human rights and dignity, particularly of women and girls. Zero tolerance policy. The WPC is demand for a zero tolerance approach towards of honor-based violence and calls upon all law enforcement and judicial bodies to ensure swift, impartial, and effective prosecution of all such cases. Data and monitoring. The WPC demand the establishment of national database to documents to all cases of honor killing disaggregated by gender, age, and location in order to enable evidence-based policy response and monitoring. Protection mechanism. The WPC urges the relevant authorities to strengthen protection mechanism for individuals at risk, including confidential helpline, safe shelters, and legal aid for women and girls threatened with violence in the name of honor. Awareness and education. The WPC recommends nationwide awareness campaign in challenge harmful gender norms and promote respect for women's autonomy, rights, and legal protection under Pakistan law. Interprovincial coordination. The WPC proposed the formation of an interprovincial task force comprising representative from all provincial assemblies, coordinate efforts against honor killing and monitor federal and provincial government. Thank you so much.
Now I put the resolution to the House. The question is that the resolution as moved be adopted. All those in favor of the resolution may say aye. All those against may say no. I think the ayes have it, and consequently the resolution is adopted.